Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a new unboxing video. So today I'm going to unbox another beast. It's actually a beast, so I'm saying this sushi, and it's pretty, actually it's very heavy I guess. So I'm going to unbox this thing. This is the ASUS Rampage 5 Edition 10 motherboard. This is the actually flagship X99 motherboard from ASUS. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so here we have that ASUS Rampage 5 Edition 10 motherboard. So its first impression, it's very heavy. It's like 2 to 3 kilos, I don't know, but it's actually pretty heavy. So first giving a look at the box. Okay, so for the pricing, we have the price over here. Okay, let me focus over there. Okay, the price over here is 55,500. So that is actually around $830 I think, but I get it for around like $550 to $600. It is around 45,000 or 46,000 Indian currency. So first looking at the box, we have some, okay, it's like in English it's written like game first. It's actually some of the features of the motherboard. Okay, it's have that game first, 4 Supreme FX, excellent audio quality, and RGB RAM, cache, aura, and actually it's actually ASUS has done a pretty great thing regarding the aura. The lighting effect in this motherboard is very excellent, and it has that extreme engine DG plus. Okay, looking at the back side, it has that aura and Wi-Fi Go, extreme engine DG plus. Okay, actually what this is like pure power digital control. So it's have like the Supreme FX hi-fi audio, and it has also got an independent DAC here. If you don't know about DAC, it is a digital to analog converter, so you can get a pretty much high quality audio. And they support that X99 CPUs that is starting from 6800K to 6950X CPUs, and chipset it has got this X99 chipset. For memory, it's supports the DDR4 memory up to 128 GB at a speed of 333 MHz in OC condition, and expansion slots. It has many expansion slots like 4 into PCI. It's actually very high performance premium motherboard. So for the storage, we have that M2. It has wireless Bluetooth LAN and Supreme FX codec, that 8-channel high definition codec, and audio features and form factor. It has that okay, extended ATX form factor. Okay, let's now I'm now going to unbox that thing. Okay, I okay, so here I got my knife. I just yep, let's go. Whoa, that's very premium packing here. Okay, first of all, there is a Republic of Gamers logo, if you can see. Yep, right there, Republic of Gamers logo, and it's looking actually pretty cool there. Okay, so let's see and have a look at the board itself. Wow, this is the packaging. What the? It's actually no, it's just a normal plastic, hard plastic, I guess. Yeah, I was thinking that is a temper glass or something. Okay, the board is pretty much well protected inside. It's got the solo covering. Okay, let me just take out from here. Yep, so you have the board. You can see there are 4 PCI 3 slot, but actually only this slot 1 and slot 3 support their full cross 16 support, and we have 8 DIMM slots, like DIMM slots, and they support up to 128 gigs of RAM. We have got the PCH. It's actually I'm actually very excited to lit all this up. So we have got here the Supreme FX, and here the Rampage 5. Okay, so you can see, okay, and the solo is actually covering the side, so we have to be very careful. We're taking this away, or we could bend some pins. Okay, now let's see the accessories what we get with this board. Okay, I'm going to put this one big box aside because it's causing too much trouble here. Okay, so time for the accessories, guys. Whoa. We've got a lot of accessories over here. Okay, first thing is the three-way SLI, ROG 3-way SLI slot. Okay, it's not a slot, it's a bridge. Okay, sorry, my bad. And we have got that not high bandwidth, just normal standard SLI bridge over here. And it's actually the CPU installation tool. You know, ASUS is giving the CPU installation tool just to avoid that CPU pin bends for that RMA conditions. And here it is actually SATA cable. Okay, what this? This is actually the fan expansion slots. We can use more fans, I guess. Yeah, it is powered by the 4-pin Molex, and you can add up to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 fans, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much cool thing to include in an accessories. Okay, and 2 more SATA cables, so it total in 3. Okay, this is the this is actually the hard disks that we put that header. Okay, this is a nice accessories that we don't actually don't include in the motherboard itself, so you can directly put out yeah, you can directly install the slots over here. No, slots is header actually. Okay, there's one Wi-Fi antenna over here. But this is actually some fan cable, I guess, but I really don't know what it is. And we have got some hard cardboard ROG logos over here, and the 10th anniversary edition logo, and okay, another accessories that I don't know about it. What this is, I don't know. This is actually I guess it is the power, not the power, that actually it is the cable for this Supreme FX audio one, that the DAC amplifier. So the total SATA cables we are getting is like 1, We have 2, 3, 4, 5 SATA cables, and what this? Okay, this is some screws. Okay, we have the 4-way SLI bridge over here. Okay, this is the pretty much cool thing that is ASUS has now included in their boards. It is actually the USB stick containing all the drivers, on the latest drivers in it. So that's a great addition to the accessories, I guess. And finally we have the back or the rear panel. It's actually pretty solid built. Okay, finally we have some paperwork over here, and the manual itself, and what this, oh my god. Okay, I'm not sure what is this, but I don't know what is it, but this is okay. I'm having some focus problems over here. Okay, many screws. Another, actually it's another CPU installation tools. And we have got a bunch of stickers for the layout of the board. Oh, this one is actually very cool. The ROG stickers are very cool, I think. And finally we have this piece of hardware. Okay, it's actually not sealed. Okay, let me just show you this one. Whoa. Oh, it's looking like in car audio or something. Oh, I like the sound. Okay, so it is going to be powered by this PCI power cable, and here we go with that USB 2. This is the USB 2 header. So let me just focus over here. Yes, this is the USB 2. So you are going to use one USB, and so this one will occupy one USB header in your motherboard, and this is the PCIe power slot, and it's looking actually pretty cool, I guess. And I've got a cable mod 20% off coupon over here. Okay, so there you go, guys. That was the little unboxing of this. That was actually not a little unboxing, it's actually very hectic unboxing of that ASUS Rampage 5 Edition 10 motherboard. So there you go, guys. There was that unboxing, and I know in pretty much some of the accessories I don't know about it, so I'm sorry regarding that. And if you like this video, press the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it now, cause way more cool stuff's coming soon. And I hope I will catch you guys soon.